Something no one really warns you about as you get older is that your body hair actually doesn't just politely fade away. If anything, it gets thicker, darker, more stubborn, and actually requires even more maintenance than it did before. And now, before anyone says, well, just get laser, trust me, I've done the math. And for me, it's not even just about the money. It's the time commitment, the appointments, driving to and from, scheduling it on my calendar, having to reschedule because something crazy happened. The time commitment is just way too much for me. I live in Miami. My life is full, probably like your life is full, and I just don't have time to dedicate by driving all over town to get my laser hair removal appointments. And that's exactly why I started looking into an at-home IPL. So today I'm sharing with you the Ulike Air 10 Deluxe. It's a full at-home IPL hair removal kit made from Ulike. So let me show you what comes inside. The Air 10 comes in a beautiful leather travel case, which keeps everything organized and protected. It feels elevated and it makes it easy to store or travel with. Inside the Deluxe kit, you get the Ulike Air 10 device, protective glasses, a razor, aloe gel, a charging cable, and the instruction manual. It's a complete all-in-one system. So you have everything that you need to get started right away. The Ulike is a brand known for its focus on cooling technology and comfort in the IPL space. They've developed multiple generations of devices, and the Air 10 is designed to be both powerful and skin conscious. Here's why this one specifically caught my attention. Shaving gives me irritation and bumps. Waxing is painful, and I tend to get ingrown hairs. And while professional laser may be able to give you the best results, as I mentioned before, the logistics are just not convenient for me, my life, or my lifestyle. I want smooth skin without having to plan my entire life around appointments. And as you may or may not know, I live in Miami. My body is always out. My legs are out. My arms are out. It's warm weather year round. So smooth, hair-free skin really does matter to me, but it has to fit into my schedule. And that's where at-home IPL started to really make sense. So if you're new to IPL, it stands for Intense Pulsed Light. IPL uses light energy to target the pigment in the hair follicle. Over time, that energy helps disrupt the hair growth cycle and reduce regrowth. A helpful way to visualize this is through the balloon demonstration. In the picture-in-picture example, you'll see two balloons layered together, a lighter outer balloon and a black inner balloon. When IPL light is applied, it bursts only the black inner balloon while leaving the outer balloon intact. And that's because IPL is attracted to darker pigment. It selectively targets the darker hair follicle, leaving the surrounding skin unaffected. And the results are not immediate or overnight. It works gradually and it does require consistency. It's kind of like when you work out, right? I always say this, consistency is what's going to produce the results, and IPL is no different. But with regular use, you start to see those changes and the results over time. And that's why IPL really works with my life, my lifestyle, my schedule right now. I can use it on my own, I can do it at home, and I can stay consistent with it because I get to do it on my own schedule. And if you've been here for a while, you probably know that I love doing at-home beauty treatments. In fact, almost all of the beauty treatments that I do, I try to do them at home because it's just so much easier for me to actually do them. I really value efficiency and convenience. So there's a few features that really stood out to me about the Air 10. First is dual light technology. This device uses two light sources, delivering stronger and more efficient energy compared to older IPL models. And second is the skin sensor feature. This is so cool. The device automatically reads your skin tone and adjusts the energy level accordingly. And if the area is too dark, it just won't flash. And I love that because it adds an extra level of safety and it omits any of that guesswork. And third is the cooling technology. And this one was really, really noticeable to me. The device maintains a skin surface temperature around 65 degrees Fahrenheit when in use. Instead of feeling hot, it feels cool and comfortable on the skin. So Ulike specifically is really known for their cooling technology. And you can really, really feel that difference here. And the Air Air 10 includes multiple modes depending on which area you're treating. Standard mode works really well for larger areas, like your legs and your arms. And then there's also the SHR mode, which delivers higher energy and is designed for more stubborn hair, such as your underarms or bikini line. In SHR mode, you'll see multiple flashes in quick succession. There's also an auto glide function for treating larger areas more efficiently. So my routine is so simple. First, I shave the area. IPL really works best on freshly shaved skin so that the light can target the follicle beneath the surface. Then I put on my very cool protective glasses. Now for my legs, I just kind of divide it into sections kind of in my mind so that I really know exactly where I'm working. Usually for me, I go from the ankle to the knee all the way up, and then I kind of work my way around my entire lower leg. And then if I'm doing my upper leg, I do the same and just repeat it. It takes just about 10 minutes to really fully treat your legs. I've personally used the Ulike on my legs, my underarms, and even on my toes. Yeah, I said it, on those little pesky toe hairs. It's cool to me that I can use it on multiple areas. It's not just like for one part of your body, but you can really use it on different parts. And after my first few uses, what really stood out to me was the comfort. There's no burning sensation, no lingering heat, and no redness after either. After finishing a session, I then apply the Aloe Vera Gel, which is so soothing, cooling, and just feels really nice on your skin. And it also hydrates too. And I've noticed as I've gotten a little bit older, my skin has actually become more sensitive and not less. So minimizing irritation is really, really important to me. After about a week or two of consistent use, I began noticing that the hair regrowth was slowing down. The hair came back more gradually. My skin looked smoother, and I found myself having to shave less frequently between sessions, which and for me, that's how I evaluate progress. Not just overall hair reduction, but also overall skin comfort and manageability. And now just remember, consistency is key. And when you zoom out and think long-term, the value becomes really clear. Shaving continuously adds up over time. Waxing absolutely adds up. And professional laser treatments are a significant long-term investment. The Air 10 Deluxe is a one-time purchase. At this stage in my life, convenience matters to me just as much as results. I want something effective that really fits into my real life. Anything that minimizes irritation, saves time, and supports smoother skin long-term is something I'm interested in. So for me, the Ulike Air 10 really checks off a lot of those boxes. It's comfortable. It's easy to use. It fits into my schedule, and it prioritizes skin protection while delivering results over time. So if you're curious about at-home IPL and you want to check out the Ulike Air 10 Deluxe kit, I'll leave all the information linked down below in the description box.